In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VWap in Quantower. VWap, or Volume Weighted Average Price, is a powerful benchmark that blends price with trading volume to show the market's true average price over a chosen period. Traders use it to spot fair value, track intraday trend bias, and identify potential areas of support and resistance. First, open the chart where you want to display VWap. Make sure you've loaded the instrument and time frame you plan to analyze. If you're trading intraday, for example, a 1 to 5 minute chart is common, but VWap will calculate across whatever time frame you choose. Next, look for the volume analysis toolbar on the chart. It's typically a compact row of icons near the chart area. If you don't see it right away, it may be hidden or disabled. Enable it from the chart's options so it becomes visible. Once it appears, you'll notice several volume-related tools grouped together for quick access. Now, click the VWap icon in that volume analysis toolbar. If you're not sure which one it is, hover your mouse over the icons and look for the tooltip that says VWap. This opens the VWap settings window, where you can control how the indicator behaves. In the pop-up, turn on the enabled switch. As soon as you enable it, VWap will be prepared to draw on your chart based on the settings you choose. You'll usually see a preview of the line and any related styling. At this point, you can optionally set the base period and adjust parameters to fit your trading approach. The base period defines where VWap starts calculating from, commonly the current session, a single day, a week, or a month. Day traders often prefer session or daily VWap for intraday context, while longer periods can help swing traders see bigger picture averages. You can also fine-tune other parameters if available, such as line color and thickness for better visibility, or additional bands if you like to view standard deviation envelopes around VWap. Keep the settings aligned with your strategy and the instrument's volatility so the line remains clear and informative. When you're satisfied, click OK or Apply. The VWap line will appear on your chart immediately. If it's hard to see, try zooming out slightly or choosing a higher contrast color so it stands out against your candles and background. That's all it takes. Your chart now includes VWap, ready to help you gauge fair value and intraday trend strength as the market evolves.